Hello friends, welcome to Dreamweaver Crocheting with Love. Today's tutorial is going to be a very interesting one. With the eve of Christmas around the corner, I have chosen to teach you something which would be very exciting and useful at the same time. So any guesses? Okay, so let's break the cover. So today's tutorial would be about how to crochet a Christmas tree applique. It's a very easy and a beginner friendly tutorial. So without any further delay, let's start the tutorial. So let's see what all materials we need in order to crochet a Christmas tree applique. So little bit of scrap yarns in color dark green and brown, a 3 mm crochet hook, embroidery threads in color red, yellow and white to make the stars, stitch marker, a tapestry needle and scissors. So let's begin. Now in order to crochet the tree applique, we shall crochet from top to bottom. That is, first we'll be doing the tree part followed by the stem. So make a magic ring. And into this ring, work 3 single crochet. So once you have done with the 3 single crochet, just pull the tail of the magic ring little bit loosely and leave this much of gap. So now we need to mark the center single crochet of the 3 single crochets worked. So I am putting the stitch marker into the second single crochet. Now work one chain and turn your work. So our first row is done. Now for the second row, work one single crochet into the first stitch. Into the mark stitch, we will be working 3 single crochets. So removing the stitch marker, into the mark stitch, work 3 single crochet. And once you have worked the 3 single crochet, don't forget to mark the center single crochet of the 3 single crochets worked. Now here we have one single crochet left. So going into that stitch, work a single crochet. So the second round is done, and in the second round we had worked the increases. Now for the third round, work one chain and turn your work. In the third round, we won't be working any increases, just work one single crochet per stitch. Now for the second round, we had worked 5 single crochets. So we will be working one single crochet into each stitch for a total of 5 single crochet. So this is the first one. This is the second. Into the mark stitch, remove the marker and work one single crochet. After working the single crochet, don't forget to put the marker. Since this is the stitch where we will be working the increases in every alternate round. Now we have 2 single crochets left. So going into each of the stitches, work a single crochet. Now by end of the third round, the number of single crochets remains the same, that is 5. Now let's start with the fourth round. Work one chain and turn your work. Now before the mark stitch, we have 2 single crochets. So going into each stitch, work one single crochet. Into the mark stitch, remove the marker and work 3 single crochet. Put the stitch marker into the center stitch of the 3 single crochets worked. Now we have 2 single crochets left. So going into each stitch, work a single crochet. So for the ease of understanding, I shall show you the working of the two rows once again. Now till here we have worked 4 rows and the next would be the 5th round. And as I've already mentioned that every odd number of rows we won't be working any increases. So just work one chain and turn your work. And in this round we'll be working one single crochet per stitch. Now before the mark stitch we have 3 single crochets. So going through each stitch, work one single crochet. Into the mark stitch, remove the marker and work a single crochet. Put the marker back into the stitch. Here we have 3 stitches left. So going through each stitch, work a single crochet. So this is the sequence of the 5th round, that is the odd number of round. And in total for the 5th round I have worked about 7 single crochets. Now let's start with the 6th round. Work one chain and turn your work. And in this round we have 3 stitches before the mark stitch. So going through each stitch, work a single crochet. Since this is the 6th round, that is the even numbered round. So going into the mark stitch, we'll be working 3 single crochet. And once you are done with the 3 single crochet, put the marker into the center stitch. Now just continue working one single crochet per stitch till the end. So I hope by now the sequence is very much clear to you. So we'll be working alternately one round with increases and one round without increases. That is, all the even number round will be worked with increases and all the odd number round will be worked without increases. So just continue with this pattern till you are done with round 19. So in all, from the top till here I have worked in total 19 rows, and since the 19th row was the last row, I have cut the yarn. So this is how our upper tree part looks like after working 19 rows in total. So that completes the tree part of our Christmas tree applique. Now we shall start with the bottom stem part. So for that we need to count about 4 stitches from the mark stitch. So insert your hook into the 4th stitch and join the brown yarn. Work one chain and going into the same space, work a single crochet. Now work 3 more single crochet till you reach the mark stitch. Remove the marker and into the stitch work a single crochet. Now into the next 4 stitches, work one single crochet each. So in total for the first round of the stem, I have worked 9 single crochet. Now for the second round, work one chain and turn your work. And the sequence of this round is very simple. That is, you will be working one single crochet per stitch till the end. So starting from the first stitch, work a single crochet. So for the second round in total, again you will be working 9 single crochets. So here I have done with the second round. Now from round 3 to round 6, that is For the next 4 rounds, we'll be repeating the sequence of round 2. That is, work 1 chain, turn your work and work 1 single crochet per stitch for a total of 9 single crochets. So continue working like this till you reach round 6. So our stem part is done, and for the stem in total I have worked 6 rows and each row has 9 single crochets, and after working the last row I have cut the yarn and weaved in all the loose ends on the back side. Also I have pulled the tail of the magic circle and closed this gap on the upper part and weaved in the ends on the back side. So we are almost done with our Christmas tree applique. Now the last step is to decorate our tree with little stars. So now you can randomly work these tiny stars over the tree part using white, yellow and red embroidery threads. So I'll just show you how it is done. So I worked the star. So in this way you can just make the stars all over the tree part with different color threads, and that all depends upon your creativity. So as you can see, I have decorated the Christmas tree applique with little stars in different color of threads. So that completes our Christmas tree applique tutorial. So I hope you found it really very useful and interesting too. In case of any queries, please let me know through comments. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.